What's up everyone, Jack Paul here and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're cutting through the noise, the scams, and the clickbait. We're gonna break down the absolute truth about getting Xbox Game Pass for free in 2025. I've seen the so-called hacks and the too good to be true offers floating around. But today, I'm going to show you the real, legitimate methods that anyone can use to get their hands on Game Pass without spending a dime, or at the very least, save a ton of money on your subscription. Forget the fake code generators and the sketchy websites. I've done the research, I've tested these methods, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can actually build up a free Game Pass subscription. So, if you're ready to learn the legitimate secrets to unlocking hundreds of games, make sure you watch this entire video. I will show step by step. Follow my steps carefully. Let's get into it. Go to the Game Pass option, then click Join Game Pass. Scroll down and click Redeem. Alright, next we'll need to redeem a valid 25 character code to activate our Xbox Game Pass subscription. Ready for the next step? Head over to cardvault.com/Xbox. Don't worry about remembering that right now. I've also linked it directly in the video description below for you. Next, you'll need to choose an amount. I'm going with $100 here, and now we just wait for that code to generate. The code is generated, but the last 5 digits are locked to verify you're human, not a bot. Click the Verify button. One last thing. To verify you're human and unlock the content, simply complete a quick free offer. This could be downloading an app from Google Play or filling out a short survey with your valid information. Due to YouTube's privacy policy and terms of service, I can't show my personal details for this offer. You'll need to go ahead and complete it for verification. I'll be doing the same thing right alongside you, and once I'm done, I'll be back here on display. Alright, just 2 minutes later, I've finished the offer. And look at this, guys. Those last 5 digits are unlocked. Now, just copy this code and head over to that page where we can redeem the Xbox Game Pass. Paste that code. Alright, look at this. The redemption was successful. In just 5 minutes of my time, I've unlocked access to hundreds of Xbox games. It really is that straightforward. Alright, so what's your take? From my experience, this is hands down the simplest way to enjoy your favorite Xbox paid games without hassle. Ready to unlock this for yourself? Then stick with me and follow every instruction carefully, no skipping the tutorial. I'm confident you'll find this method incredibly useful, so go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below. Catch you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.